What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme week. I don't know if this is like 15 or 16, but it's a live cop and we are finally back with the live cops. Also, huge shout out to my neighbor mowing the lawn almost every single video, so I do appreciate that. But another thing I appreciate is how much you guys have been showing me support. You guys smashed the like button again on the last live cop. Obviously last week I couldn't make a live cop, so we are here today doing this week's live cop. Not going for a whole lot, it's a pretty light week. We are gonna go for the small box logo hoodie, and I want that baby blue colorway so bad. And then we also have the small box t-shirt, which I'm not really too big of a fan of the small box tees, but I do want to go for that as well. But I'm also unsure if, because I already bought the small box tee, am I gonna be able to get this one. But I might just try to double card it. The baby blue is pretty hyped, so, but you know me, I want that free shipping, and if I spend $2 more I could get that free shipping. Another thing we're going for is the Nalgene, but I can't go for the Nalgene because of my address, so I'm gonna hopefully have Ashley or Joey go for the Nalgene. But anyways, we got about 1 minute left until the drop, so let me queue up this screen recorder. Where is it at? And also, if you're wondering why the setup is a little bit different, I have to turn my laptop because I'm not gonna have a lot of time to edit this. I'm in a huge rush today. I have so much stuff going on, but you guys showed so much support on that last live cop, so I had to make another one. Could not let you guys down. So again, if you want to see a live cop next week, because it looks like this Supreme season is not canceled yet, so if you want to see a live cop next week, make sure you hit that like button. Let's get this video to 20 likes as well, and if we do, we can make another live cop video. Let's be real, regardless, I'm probably gonna make one. So let's get the screen recorder going. We are live right now. All right, here we go. We are gonna refresh on the new this time though, because I kind of feel like that's been hitting for me. I know you guys always roasted me in the comments not to refresh new, but you know, I'm just kind of I'm a refresh new type of guy. So we're gonna be doing the new. We got 10 seconds into the drop, and honestly, I'm gonna be really mad if I don't get that hoodie. So I'm just gonna pay the extra $10 and not take the risk, because I'm a little nervous that I might not be able to get the t-shirt again. So let's go. All right. Again, clicked it wrong. Let's add this to the cart. We got extra large in the baby blue colorway. We're going for the checkout. Kind of sucks. I'm missing free shipping by $2. All right, let's go. Get all this. Dang, 180 for this hoodie. Crazy. Let's go. Come on. Just want to cook. Dang, it's not even loading. Okay, here we're loading. We're loading. Let's load up another tab though while that is going. All right, where's that T at? Where's the T at? There's the Nalgene, looking gorgeous as always. Oh, we're still loading. Also, I kind of was thinking, I don't really know if I want the T, to be honest. I do really like this colorway though, and it is $58. Wow. No. Going back. Oh, and the hoodie is sold out. Can we get a rip in the chat? That is insane. Ow, that one hurt for sure. The hoodie is sold out. So that sucks. Dang. Now my mood is kind of killed, and I don't even think I want to get the shirt. Ooh, that one hurt me. Can I, you know what, I might just try to get it with the Nalgene, even though I don't think it's gonna let me. But we will just try. Honestly, can't lie, I thought for sure that hoodie was gonna be in the bag and was gonna be an easy cop. But looks like not. You know, honestly, I should have just stayed on this page. I feel like that's been hidden from when I stay on the page. I cannot believe, literally the small box, let's be real, the small boxes are bricks. Like, that's insane to me. What is this, light olive? It's loading like it's gonna let me do it, but I don't really know if it is. So I feel like it wouldn't go through this much work, but who knows. I'm just gonna stay on this. Oh, we actually got the red Nalgene, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we got the Nalgene, so that was actually pretty cool to let me buy that again. So that's fire. I'm pretty hyped. I did like the orange, so we did kind of take an L on that hoodie. Unfortunately, gonna probably have to try to pick that up resell. Honestly, I know light blue and like light olive, baby blue, whatever, and olive were like most hyped, but still, I did not think that hoodie was gonna go like that. That's insane. Let's end the screen recording because we don't need to be recording this anymore. Let me just save this really quick. All right, we got that all saved. So yeah, again, I know I've said it like 5 times now. That is just insane. That hoodie went so fast. Of course, too, I got that. That wasn't even like a card decline. I don't even know what that was. Whatever I got though, I can't believe that. That was a huge letdown. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pick this piece up resell, so that's gonna suck. If anyone is selling this piece, let me know in the comments down below. I need a size extra large in the ice blue colorway. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Again, this was a super quick one, but huge shout out to you guys for all the support you've been showing me lately. I do appreciate it so much. I know a lot of you don't follow me on Instagram, so if you'd like, please follow me on Instagram. I will leave a link in the description as always, and it is on the screen right now. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. Let's get this video to 20 likes so we can do another live cop next week. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.